Welcome, Mia. Ready to dive into the fascinating world of English phonetics?
I think so, but it sounds complicated. What is phonetics exactly?
Great question. Phonetics is like the science of sounds in language. It's all about how we make and hear those sounds when we speak.
Oh, so it's about pronunciation?
Partly, yes. But it's also about understanding the building blocks of sound. And that's where phonetics comes in to help. For example, English has 44 different sounds, called phonemes, but only 26 letters.
Wait, there are more sounds than letters?
Exactly. That's why cough, though, and through all look similar but sound totally different. It's all about variation in phonemes. Let's start simple. Vowels and consonants.
Okay, I know vowels are A, E, I, O, and U.
Yes, but each vowel can make more than one sound. For example, the A in cat is different from the A in cake. See?
Oh, right. So do consonants do this too?
Absolutely. Take T. It's sharp in top, but softer in water, almost like a D sound. Native speakers do this naturally because of phonetics.
Wow, so phonetics explains the why behind tricky words.
Exactly. And once you learn the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA, you'll unlock a cheat code for learning. Each symbol matches a sound.
Oh, I've seen that. But it looks overwhelming.
It's easier than it looks, I promise. Like esh, as in ship, is written as S in IPA. That sound always matches that symbol, no matter the word.
Cool. So how can I practice?
Start small. Listen to words, look up their IPA, and mimic the sounds. Apps like Forvo or Youglish are great tools too.
Got it. This is kind of fun.
It is. Phonetics turns confusing words into puzzles you can crack. Just remember, every sound has a story of its own.
Awesome. I'm ready to start unlocking those sounds.